good, y'all? All right, so I'm slacking again, but it's fine because I brought y'all another banger. You know what I'm saying? I brought y'all another banger, right? All right, so obviously the title is down here. It's somewhere, right? By the title, I'm finna show y'all what I go through, right? So as y'all can see, my hair is growing back, right? It's been 4 or 5 months since I've cut all my hair off, right? And it's growing back. Right now, I'm about to pick it out. I'm gonna wash my hair. I'm gonna show y'all what I do personally. And I'm probably gonna end up switching my the stuff I use probably within the next few weeks. So I'm gonna update y'all with that, right? So, oh my gosh, y'all wonder why I'm in the bathroom. Cause I'm finna take a shower and wash my hair in there too, right? Cause I'm not finna wash it in the sink, but you know, man. Anyways, let's get to washing, you know?
Hey, yo. Hey, Kung Lao wristbands looking like a hitman, but a nigga tryna hit a lit man. Took her to the bathroom, fucking through the zip man, left her leg shaking like the crib dance. Who that at the front door? Think that's a crib man. Pay that man a total no tip man. Pack it out, pack, got my eyes low it man. Now I'm on go like a red man. Hey.
All right, look. So first off, let me just get right into this, right? So what I'm doing right here is I'm rinsing my hair off so I can pick it out. You know, your hair curls better when it's picked out and, you know, straight, detangled, etc. So first thing I got here is this argan oil, sulfate free, cream and natural. I think that's what it's called. Make sure it is sulfate free shampoo. The one thing I like about this is actually the smell. That smell really good. Does not damage your hair. So go ahead and get this. This is just a shampoo, so you ain't gotta worry about much. It's just shampoo. You're just washing your hair, right? So we got the shampoo right here for all right. Next up, we got the Mane and Tail Deep Moisturizing Conditioner. Now this, I'm probably gonna switch up later in the future, but this is just to condition my hair real quick. What I like about this is the texture. It's actually kind of watery, but then again, it's not too watery. So I mean, it works. So what I'm doing is basically I'm just going through and I'm conditioning my hair. If y'all don't know how to condition your hair, you literally just run your hands through your hair. And you're literally just gonna let it sit there for 2 minutes. 2 minutes. So after that 2 minutes, you go ahead, you rinse it out. The rinsing out isn't hard. You literally just run some water. For this, I like to use lukewarm water. You don't have to use cold. Don't use too hot water because you don't want to get damaged, I guess. You don't want to mess up your hair, fry your hair, you know. Next up, we got the Coconut Co-Wash made by As I Am. I really love this stuff right here. This stuff right here works magic and it smells great. It smells like coconut, obviously. I mean, if you don't love the smell of tropical islands, then you're doing something wrong. So basically with this is I like to detangle my hair while I'm you put it in, because that's what you're supposed to do. So you just rub it through basically from the roots to the ends, and then you pick your out. I don't have my pick because it broke, so I'm using this comb. That's why I took comb. So you go ahead and do that, right? It's real simple. So now let me just show you what it looks like with the stuff in the hair. That was actually the Coconut Co-Wash, and y'all could tell if you didn't see it, go back, rewind it a little bit, and you saw the curls. So just give me 1 second. Be right back. All right. So now that we out the shower, we back to our normal living life. What I'm doing right here is I am drying my hair off with a t-shirt. I'm not using a towel because I do not use towels. Don't use towels unless you're, I guess, trying to start dreads. So I mean, because towels do cause your hair to fall out more. They start to damage your hair over time, so just be cautious with that. You can use towels every now and then, but just don't go crazy on towels. I prefer to use shirts. So I'll be right back. Alright, so that was pretty simple, right? I didn't put in any leave-in conditioner and stuff like that yet because I'm saving that for later, you know? The curl routine, that's for another video, right? So if you want to see that video, we gotta get numbers on this video, right? So simple, just wash your hair with all the products now. Some of these products are interchangeable. I didn't use these two today, right? So what these are conditioners. I decided to go with the mane and tail, right? Now I usually switch off between these two, but I mainly use this one right here, the smoothing conditioner. If you have like colored or damaged hair, I suggest use this one, because this one is the repairing shampoo. So, I mean, you can use those. This is made by It's up to you. Do what you gotta do. Figure out what works for your hair. You're probably gonna end up switching all these within like the next month anyway, so thanks for stopping by, man. If you haven't already, follow my social media, leave a like, subscribe, man. We out.
Baby girl, what you doing with your man? I just popped a Zan, 50,000 in Japan. Hey, you know what I'm saying? I ain't do no plan, baby, you did. Dexter.